Okay, so I'm taking my Insta360 camera and I'm going to keep the cover on it when I'm not using it. But anyway, one of the things that we're doing is we're videotaping, of course. And I've got little cards, little SD cards, and I have them in little envelopes here, or little baggies. Anyway, for each day. And that way I can keep things in order of the recording. And so what I do is I put them in these little containers here. So these are the ones that are not used yet. And then once I use them all up, as we use each one, I'm going to put them in here. And then that way I keep everything in order. I don't have recordings going on top of old cards and everything and getting everything out of order and all. So we'll see how it works and see how the trip comes out on this.
All the fights and sleepless nights are piling on top of me. I take a side, you'll cross the line. Maybe